Greetings everyone. I'm gonna try and make this as quick as possible. For those persons who don't understand how to subscribe, that want to subscribe to my channel, this is how you go about it. Once you get the link from me, right, you click on it and it brings you to YouTube. I guess everybody know YouTube. You bring it to YouTube, you'd look for this little red button right here that says subscribe. Alright? So this button right here that says subscribe, you're gonna look for that button right there that says subscribe. You're gonna click on it. Okay? So once you click on it, it's gonna turn gray. Automatically, if you see it turns gray, you already subscribed to my channel. Okay? So if you want to take it a little further, you can click this bell icon right here. You can just click that bell just to get notified as quick as possible. And if you want to share the video, say you see a video from me, you want to share it to a friend or family or whatever, you click on this button right here that says share. Okay, and then you go in YouTube, you go to Facebook or wherever you want to share it. Cool. Hope you guys understand how to subscribe now after making this video. I got a few message in my WhatsApp in regards to how to subscribe to my channel. So I had to make this little short video just for those persons who don't understand. Okay, so hopefully now I can get about 3,000 subscribers in less than 2 weeks. Let's see what's happened. Let's do the subscribers challenge. Okay,